I'm back today with another update on the Fimi X8 SE 2020. I had a little video the other day where we talked about some of the features of it and some of the differences between the 2018 model. We talked about pricing and availability. And I got to update today. This information has been passed along between Bill and Marcus and I. As you know, there was a there's a link out there where you could get it for $3.99 and shipped from the U.S. And then there was an additional coupon that would bring the price down to like $347 U.S. For shipping inside the U.S., which was a tremendous deal. But now we even have a new update. There's another coupon from Banggood. I guess you'd call it a coupon. I'll include all these links below in the video and kind of a brief explanation down there. But what Banggood now is doing is offering the Fimi X8 for $299. Now, that's kind of like a misleading statement, but that's the way Banggood says it. What they're going to do is, if you have already purchased a Fimi X8 for whatever price, or if you currently post if you in the future post a Fimi purchase a Fimi X8 2020, I think this runs through April 30th. You will be entered into, or you can enter into a drawing. It's again, it'll be we're going to put the link where you enter into the drawing. You click a button or sign up for it. We're going to get much more details on this coming. But anyhow, you enter we'll call it a contest to be one of 1,000 people. Now I said 1,000 people, 1,000 purchasers of the Fimi X8 SE 2020 that will get the drone for $299. So if you've had to already purchase it, so what they will do is they will refund the difference between what you paid and $299. So if you paid we'll say, just to make it even numbers, if you paid $349, you'll be refunded $50. If you paid $399, you'll be refunded $100. If you paid for $429, you'll be refunded $130. It's whatever you paid versus $299. That's the difference you'll get refunded. Again, in these contests, usually that's one person or something like that. This is 1,000 people. That will get this $299 price from, again, the original crop of people that purchased it between April 1st and April 30th. So I mean, this is a kind of opportunity we've never heard before. And Banggood, some of the details of reading seem a little foggy on this contest or whatever. So I'm going to include the links, and you go over to Banggood's website and you read these details and you see what you can make out of them. And when we get more details on this this $299 opportunity, we will definitely pass along. I'm sure this will be kind of a a lot of moving parts situation here, where we're going to find more information out and as to go along. But again, I'm just blown away that 1,000 people are going to get an opportunity to get this X8 2020 for only $299. I mean, for all this drone brings to the table, I mean, that is a tremendous buy. I call it the Ron Steele of the year for that price. So you go down, click on that link. If you've already ordered the Fimi X8, click on the link and go in and sign up to be part of this contest. And if you haven't purchased the Fimi X8 2020 yet, I'll put a link down below where you can purchase it, use that coupon, get it for $347, and then after that sale is complete, then click the other link and use that link to be entered into the contest to win a Fimi X8 for $299. Which basically just means you get refunded the difference from whatever you paid, down to $299. So that it's a no lose situation for anybody that's interested in getting the Fimi. If you've already purchased the Fimi X8, or maybe you were holding back because it was just still a little bit too much for you. But I mean, there's no guarantee you're going to win here. But 1,000 people, I mean, I don't know how many people bought the drone, but say 2,000 people buy the drone, with 1,000 people winning, you got a 50-50 shot of being one of them. If only 1,500 people bought it, you've got like a 3 out of 4 chance of being one of the ones that get it for $2.99. So your odds are probably better in this contest than most contests that you enter in your life. So definitely consider it, and and if you purchase, use the link from my channel to purchase. I greatly appreciate it. It'll go towards me buying more electronics, drones, cameras that I can show on my channel and pass along coupons and deals to try to help everybody out here. So I don't want to ramble on here. I just wanted to spread that good news along. So any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll try to work them out for you. Again, some of the details kind of, if you even go to Banggood, some of the details are still a little fuzzy, but again, when we get more information, we will definitely pass along. So thanks for stopping by, and have a great day, everyone. Stay safe out there.